Are you working in staffing industry, US staffing or recruitment industry? If yes, then this video is for you. Many times you get job details from client where you face difficulties to find means like what exactly client is looking for, means what kind of resume you should provide to the client. Hello, hi everyone, this is Lakshmi Shankar and we are going to discuss today that how we can find a sample resume for the given job details from the client. So we are going to use ChatGPT for that. So let's go on screen and see that for the given job details how we can find a sample resume for our recruiting. Here is the job details we have got from the client. They are looking for a program manager. Duration would be a 12 months plus and location is in San Jose, California. They have mentioned like we are looking for a program manager who is passionate about leading the way for client creating owners. As a member of the store operations ownership team, you will take the lead in creating, implementing and managing store programs globally. They are looking for a candidate deeply passionate about clients' core values and the customer experience, chart a vision for projects and programs and translate into a world-class customer experience. Experience means they are looking for a candidate like here they have mentioned in this role you will be responsible for leading key ownership programs that improve in customers' experience in retail stores. You will also work cross-functionally with operations, product, marketing, and development teams to build and support programs that elevate the customer's ownership experience in a store around the world. Most importantly, this role requires deep passion and curiosity to help drive clients' ownership program forward. So this is the job details. Mean they are looking for a program manager who can handle retail store operations. So let's see what kind of means resume, a sample resume we can get from ChatGPT so that we can provide that resume to our recruiting team. So for that we need to give a command to ChatGPT. So I'm just writing here command so that we can copy from here and paste it in the ChatGPT and see the result. So what we can write resume for the given below job details. We can copy and just paste it into ChatGPT. So I have just given this command and copied complete job details and paste it here. So see what kind of results we get. Okay, so highly motivated and experienced program manager with a passion for creating exceptional customer experience. In summary, it has mentioned like results oriented program manager with a track record of successfully executing projects in fast-paced, ambiguous environment, possesses a strong sense of customer experience and business understanding. So yes, this is kind of resume we are looking for. In key qualification, it has mentioned deeply passionate about clients' core values and the customer experience, visionary leader in the employment. It has mentioned like lead and manage key ownership program that enhance the customer experience in retail stores, collaborate with operations, product, marketing and development teams to design and support programs that elevate the customer's ownership experience globally. So this is the kind of resume means job details had mentioned and accordingly we are getting the resume. Analyze data and information to identify trends, challenges and opportunities and drive the implementation of innovative strategies. So yes, this is also fine and here it has mentioned that cross-functional teams in the successful delivery of projects within time and budget consideration developed and maintained. Yeah. So this looks good. So what we can do, we can just copy from here, we can paste it in a new file. Okay, and now we can share this sample resume to our recruiting team so that they can find the best means good resumes for your client. As you know, means sometimes what happens in recruitment, if client means they do not receive better resumes, good resumes according to their job details, they give us some update that okay, means we are not getting exact matching candidates, so we are looking for this type of candidate. So for this position, we got this update from the client. So like they have mentioned, no technical PMs will be accepted. No one with more than 8 years of experience, when they are looking for 5 to 8 years experience, should have analytics details experience, strong financial and business acumen. So this is the kind of candidate, strong Excel, Tableau, this type of experience they will prefer. And at the last they have mentioned like candidate background should be team facing, not customer facing, more of an HR people organization. So this is the kind of experience they are looking for. Means yes, candidates should be from retail store operations background, but candidates should have data analysis experience and should have a people organization experience. It should not be a customer facing experience. So this is the kind of update we got from the client. So what we can do, we can just write here update from the client. Okay, and now we can give a command to ChatGPT to find a sample resume according to this update only and see what kind of sample resume we are getting from ChatGPT. So what we can write, build a resume considering zero details, and let's see what kind of sample resume we get from. So what I did, I have given the command and see what kind of resume we are getting. Okay, so it has mentioned like results driven program manager with 8 years of experience in data analysis and program management, seeking a challenging role to utilize strong financial and acumen and business skills, experience in driving strategic business decision and implementing data driven solution, excels in team facing environments with focus on HR and people. So yeah, this is the kind of resume we are looking for. It has mentioned in the summary like highly motivated program manager with expertise in data analysis, financial acumen, and program management. And this is what we are looking for. 8 years of experience in program with a focus on HR and people related programs. So you can see the kind of candidate we are looking for, it has given the same. Familiarity with Tableau, leveraging data visualization for impactful reporting. So yes, this is the candidate we are looking for. Manage and oversee HR and people related programs, focusing and driving efficiency and effectiveness. So yes, leverage Tableau for data visualization. Very good. So yeah, we can see the kind of resume we were looking for, same kind of resume it has given. So again, we can copy this and send this sample resume to recruiting team so that they can find best resume accordingly. Now suppose that what you want to do, you need to experiment so that you can get a better resume for your client. So what you need to do, we got this update from the client, but before than that we also had this job details from the client. Okay, so what we can do, we can just copy and paste these job details below the updates and ask with the ChatGPT to give us a sample resume according to the job details and updates which we received from the client. So let's do this. This one is the job details, this one is the update from the client. You can mention here. Now you can write build a resume considering below that's from the client and job details. Now we can copy and paste in ChatGPT and see what kind of resumes we are getting from ChatGPT. Okay, it has started like result-driven program manager with 5 years of experience in program management, data analysis, and team facing. Yes, this is the kind of resume we are looking for. In summary, it has mentioned dynamic program manager with proven track record, successfully reading and implementing programs in fast-paced team facing environment. Yes, this is the kind of skilled in data analysis, financial acumen and project management, proficient in Excel, Tableau with experience building. Yes, and key qualification would be strong passion for clients' core values and delivering exceptional customer experience, visionary leader who can translate project vision. Good. In the employment part, we can see like lead the implementation of key ownership programs, enhancing customer experience in retail. Yes, this is the kind of candidate we are looking for. Excel, leveraging data analysis, good. Reporting, enhanced data visualization, it is also good. Here it has mentioned like he worked as a data analyst. So yes, in the as per update, they are looking at candidate who have earlier worked as a data analyst and later on as a program manager. So this is what it means, the kind of resume it is giving. So conducted data analysis to identify trends, patterns, and insights to support business decision making, and then education part. So yes, this is the sample resume and it's really good. We can share this with the recruiting team, our recruiters, and they can give us a good resume accordingly. So till now we have discussed about that what means how we can get a sample resume for the given job details. Now we are going to learn that suppose that you got the sample resume, now you have information that what kind of resume they are looking for. But for that, you also need to let recruiter know that what kind of Boolean search they can use to find better resume. So for that, we are going to see that what kind of Boolean search ChatGPT can provide. So we need to just give a command. Can you give Boolean search for dice, monster, and career builder to search best candidates. Okay, let's see what kind of Boolean search we are getting from the. I'm so sorry, I have just given a generic statement. What mistake I did? I have not mentioned that we need Boolean search for the given job details what we have earlier provided to the ChatGPT. So this mistake I did. So what we need to write here, can you give for the above given job details, can you give Boolean search for dice, monster, and career builder to search best candidates. Now we can see that what kind of figures we are. Now you can see that it is exactly what we were looking for. So it has given like program manager, project manager, retail or e-commerce, people or HR. Yes, this is the kind of we can search, and it has also given you can use this one is dice, this one is monster, this one is career builder. In second, in experience based, it has also given that what kind of Boolean search you can use it. In keyword based search, it has given what we can use it. So you can see according to your requirement you need to modify, but you are getting a lot of ideas that what kind of Boolean search you can use it for your given job data. So I hope this video helped you regarding that how you can get a sample resume to find better resumes for your client, for your client given job details, how you can get a Boolean search, sample Boolean search, and accordingly you can modify, align your search. So you can use this video for your recruitment. Thank you.